Welcome to Data Science, Analytics, and Business Intelligence, a training series built for professionals at any level who work with data to make better, faster decisions. From foundational data literacy to advanced analytics, predictive modeling, and applied AI, these hands-on courses cover it all. You'll work with today's most popular tools to uncover insights, visualize trends, and solve real-world problems that drive business impact. Instructed live by Trivera's expert AI and data professionals, each session dives deep into how AI is transforming analytics, BI, and data science. You'll explore cutting-edge tools, practical use cases, and strategies to accelerate smarter insights and stronger predictions. With seasoned experts by your side, sharing practical experience, guiding you through deep dive applications, and helping you tackle real-world challenges, you'll walk away ready to put your new skills to work immediately, turning your data into a true competitive advantage. Whether you're an individual looking for a public class or seeking expert-led training for your team, or searching for a trusted partner to create a scalable, enterprise-wide learning plan for your organization, we've got flexible options to support your success. Check out our courses listed below to find the best fit for your needs. And if you're interested in special pricing or team training, reach out today. We're happy to help you get started.